Hey y'all, so I had a problem today. I was going on the highway in the middle of winter, salt splash, and no freaking washer fluid. I came over here, my hood wouldn't pop. So I was like, I'm gonna have to open it manually. So I did a little bit of prep just so I could show this for your video, because I don't want anybody else to have this problem. You're gonna need a really long flathead screwdriver. This one's not quite long enough, but I made it work. And obviously everybody's hood latch might not be exactly the same, but you're gonna have this cutout right here. Almost perfect for a flathead to go into. And if you look right in here, there's this latch. And that's what you're gonna have to push on. And you can tell that that's the latch because this is what actually goes all the way to the inside. And sometimes there can be springs in here that are broken, but I discovered that mine's not broken, it just needed to get lubricated. So to show you how to release it, you just go in that groove and you push the latch. Oops. But mine's already popped right now. And your hood will pop. I got a lot of lube on. So that's all you do. And you'll hear the popping noise and then open it up like normal. I'll try it one more time and show you. So my hood is shut. Obviously my grill would be right here, but I just took it off to show you. A little bit easier. Go in here, this little groove, and just pop that latch. And then open it like normal. Hope that helps. Because I couldn't find a very good video on YouTube to help with me. Thanks, y'all.